over 20 years, Martin Engineering's foundations workshops have helped mine and plant personnel improve their belt conveyor systems, overall productivity, and safety. The foundations workshops are not typical training focused on products and services the company offers. Instead, the presenters discuss concepts proven by Martin Engineering to help you prevent typical problems that plague belt conveyors. The training content is inspired by and stems from Martin Engineering's foundations books that focus on teaching industry personnel to operate and maintain clean and safe belt conveyors. The series of foundations books, originally produced in 1991, has widely been considered the best resource for conveyor operations, maintenance, and design around the globe. All attendees have the option of receiving an electronic or hard copy of the most recent book. If your facility uses belt conveyors, you most likely see belts fail prematurely, miss track, and create dust, spillage, and carryback. The dust, spillage, and carryback then create environmental concerns, increased cleanup costs and maintenance hours, lost material, and decreased production and efficiency. It also exposes workers to the hazards of belt conveyors by placing them in close proximity to moving parts when reacting to these problems. Foundations workshops teach conveyor users how to safely address material handling issues, as well as give mine and plant personnel tried and true methods to reduce conveyor problems. Those attending foundations workshops walk away with practical solutions that can be implemented immediately, as well as long-range strategies that plants can adopt to take their conveyor improvements to the next level.
I mean, wow, what a powerful comment. We do the same thing, same thing. And, I don't know. Is it because we don't know that there's a better way, or because it's so hard to change culture?
I think this foundation workshop really exceeded my expectations. It really highlighted the safety aspects to troubleshooting, which is really important. Anytime you're going to be working on a piece of equipment, it's a lot of those little tips of the trade that you can kind of learn and apply. Everything was at the user level. This training here was all applicable for what a maintenance worker might run into out there in the real world.
Training for adult learners does not have to be boring. Foundations instructors are highly trained and know how to engage a group. Workshops are interactive and come in a wide variety of formats: online, hands-on, and can be conducted at Martin Engineering's headquarters, your facility, or a neutral location. Classes are formatted to suit different levels of knowledge and responsibility. Our foundation specialist can help determine the class most appropriate for your group.